Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
X.
What does the dictionary say?
Indicating a variable and used to hold a place in a word or abbreviation that can be occupied by another letter or number.
Math rap.
The letter X in algebra is often shown as a value that is not yet known. It's something that you must be able to figure out. It's a variable.
Math rap.
What symbol in algebra looks wrong? X. Explain X in your own words. What are your thoughts on X? If A is the first letter, X is what number of all the letters of the alphabet? Legend says that pirates would always mark the exact place where they buried their treasure with a big X. Do you think it was because they were big fans of math? Explain.
Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!